Get ready to take your aerial photography and cinematic footage to the next level. In today's video, we're counting down the top 3 best 4K drones of 2026. From beginner-friendly flyers to powerful pro-level machines, packed with smart features, long battery life, and stunning Ultra HD video quality. Whether you want smooth travel shots, action-packed adventures, or professional content creation, there's a perfect drone for you. Watch till the end to find out which 4K drone truly deserves your money in 2026. Don't forget to like and subscribe and press the bell icon. Number 3. The DJI Neo Fly More Combo is one of the most exciting beginner-friendly drones of 2026, designed for creators who want portable aerial filming without the complexity of larger drones. Weighing only 135 grams, this ultra-light drone is incredibly easy to carry and perfect for travel, outdoor adventures, and quick social media content creation. Its 4K UHD camera delivers surprisingly sharp and vibrant footage, while the stabilized video system helps keep shots smooth even during movement. One of the standout features is the palm takeoff and landing system, allowing users to launch the drone effortlessly without a traditional setup. The intelligent subject tracking and quick shots modes make cinematic filming simple, even for beginners. The Fly More Combo version adds excellent value by including the RCN3 controller and 3 batteries, giving users longer flight sessions and more precise manual control. Battery life is solid for a compact drone, and the automatic flight features make capturing dynamic angles incredibly easy. While it may not replace high-end professional drones for advanced filmmaking, the DJI Neo is a fantastic option for vloggers, travelers, and casual creators looking for a lightweight 4K drone with smart AI-powered features and impressive ease of use. Number 2. The G11 PRO 6K drone is a feature-packed professional-style drone built for creators who want long flight time and stable aerial footage without jumping into ultra-expensive models. It delivers 4K video at 30 FPS along with 6K photo capability, giving you sharp and detailed shots that work great for YouTube, travel vlogs, and cinematic clips. One of its biggest highlights is the 3-axis brushless gimbal, which keeps your footage smooth and stable even when flying in windy conditions or making fast movements. With an impressive total flight time of up to 70 minutes using 2 batteries, it gives you plenty of time to capture multiple angles without rushing. The 10,000-fit long-range transmission also allows confident flying over large areas while maintaining a stable signal. Features like auto-return, GPS positioning, and intelligent flight modes make it beginner-friendly while still offering enough control for advanced users. Overall, the G11 PRO is a strong value drone for content creators who want long battery life, stable 4K footage, and professional-style features at a more affordable level. It may not match premium DJI models in low-light performance or advanced obstacle avoidance, but for its price range, it delivers a powerful mix of range, stability, and flight great. Number 1. The Potensic Atom 2 drone is a powerful sub-250-gram drone built for creators who want high-end features without the premium DJI price tag. It captures stunning 4K video at 30 FPS and supports 8K photo output, making it a strong option for both cinematic video and high-resolution stills. The biggest highlight is its 3-axis gimbal, which delivers ultra-smooth and stable footage even in windy conditions, giving your shots a professional cinematic feel. With up to 10 kilometers transmission range, you get strong and reliable control for long-distance flying, while AI tracking and quick shots make it easy to film yourself or moving subjects automatically. The Fly More Combo boosts total flight time up to around 96 minutes with multiple batteries, which is excellent for travel, vlogging, and outdoor shoots. It also supports vertical shooting and AI night mode, helping creators capture social media-ready content in different lighting conditions. Overall, the Potensic Atom 2 is one of the best DJI alternatives in 2026 for beginners and semi-pro users. While it lacks advanced obstacle avoidance found in higher-end drones, it still delivers excellent value, strong camera performance, and impressive flight features for its price range.